Greetings everyone and welcome to this new video on linear mixed effects modeling in JASP. Linear mixed effects models allow us to model a linear relationship between one or more explanatory variables and a continuous dependent variable. In cases where the observations are not independent but clustered given one or several random effects or grouping factors. For example, repeated measures across participants. In the playlist on linear regression, we reviewed how to fit predictors to explain a response variable. These predictors consisted of what are known as fixed effects. Fixed effects are those effects which can be defined as being constant across individuals, while random effects may vary between individuals. Alternatively, we can say that effects are fixed if they are interesting in themselves or random if there is interest in the underlying population. In some situations, a fixed effect can act as a random effect and vice versa. This distinction may be made apparent by looking at this example. Here is a dataset on theophylline concentrations in the blood measured at various time points in 12 subjects. Here we want to model concentration of theophylline in the blood as a function of time, keeping the dose of theophylline administered and the patient weight, body weight, constant. Here time, dose of theophylline administered and the patient weight, body weight are the fixed effects and each subject is the random effect. Before building a linear model, we would like to visualize the data first. To do that, we can go to the regression drop-down menu and select correlation. We will select the concentration of theophylline and time, and we will go to plots and we can see that the response variable is fairly linearly related to the independent variable of time, linearly and negatively related. So to perform mixed effects regression, we can go to the mixed effects models or the mixed models drop down option right here. Select the frequentest version of linear mixed models. Add the concentration to the dependent variables box and the time variable to the fixed effects variables box. This would be fine if we were performing only a fixed effects linear regression, but since it's a mixed model, we also need to account for the repeated measures over subject. Now we can see that the subject is categorized as a continuous variable by JASP. We need this to be a nominal variable. To do that, you can go to the data viewer tab, select the subject icon with the scale or the continuous variable option, go to nominal. Now that the subject is a nominal variable, we can now put it as a random effects grouping factor and let JASP run the analysis. In the next video, we will have a look at various input options available in JASP. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.